So now guys, I'm actually using TikTok to explain, since the poll is carrying TikTok this thing, the explanation stuff again. So now, see, I've connected to the proxy. Proxy is working on any device. Proxy, they work for like Android, iOS, Mac OS, Linux, and this particular Windows, and any device. Sure, you guys get. So now look at my IP address is from where ST Cloud, Florida. Sure, you get. Now waiting the proxy with that, now waiting I set with that, like you get. So it's different from using VPN. See, if I on VPN, you guys will see something like a VPN, but it's not here. Sure, you get. So now let's move to the TikTok now. Now I click TikTok. You will see within, like, how you will know like this is the particular TikTok this website of the particular location. Sure, you get. So now, like, if you click on login here now, you go carry you go another place, but stitch you shall be. So how to know like this particular TikTok website you're visiting is the right one? You go wait some more, you go check, make this like this thing, make it load finish. Sure, you get. So now if you click on sign up, you see something under here. So there's something that's supposed to come out of under here. Maybe because of the proxy server is getting down, something like that. You get this terms and condition, what is it? Yeah, this particular place here. Yeah, this particular place here, that terms and condition, there's something that's supposed to be before the terms and condition stuff. She gets. So let's try and refresh here. If you go like fit bring it yourself. Sometimes the proxy like they don't like quickly like make the thing available again because of the connection. Note you like spoof your IP address. She gets. So okay, let's try this. Let's try this first. Okay, wait. Let me try and pause this video and check for the USA this thing, TikTok. I'm not sure this is the right website you're using here. So now, like, before any other like, or visiting any particular platform, you try to check your proxy server. Like, just search for check my proxy server. You get, see this particular first one. You can use any one. You get. So just let's check this one. Let's check it through this one. See now, look at the location like my proxy server is connected to. You get. See the IP address. You get. So all this kind of thing you need to confirm them before you go into any platform to be sure of what you are doing. We no go use Nigeria IP or something like that. Enter them. You get. No, like I hope you guys get what I'm saying. Let me cannot to explain too much. Make this video not too long. Let's check another this thing website. Okay. Let's check another website. No, this one is not understanding. Okay. So can you see same thing? USA ST Cloud. Sure, you get. The proxy is unknown. Like this one on a particular like shield, you will see. Okay, yeah, they no go like really know whether if you enter any platform, they no go really know whether like they use proxy. Like the one like you guys will get VPN now, they will not be like, please off your VPN, all this kind of thing, or they will tell you off your proxy now. They're not going to detect easily like that. She gets. Note, this video is for educational purpose only. So watch to the end. Like watch everything like I did try explain given. So after you installing the proxy on your phone, setting up the proxy on your phone, you go through all these steps I'm showing you. I was showing you guys